So we're going to start by removing the battery pack here. This will be done by unscrewing the two external screws on the bottom. So with those unscrewed, we can remove the battery pack, and we'll set that aside and grab our replacement pack. We can simply put it inside, turn off the unit when it first powers on, and then torque this down to the appropriate limit listed in the product manual.